You guys, today we're gonna be playing I Am Bird, and this is the same creator to me. I am Monkey, and I am Cat, and I am Scaredy. So let's start into the video, and I hope you enjoy me coming a bird, cause we love coming to be birds. So let's get started into the video, and I'm excited for this game. I feel like it's a pretty good game. This is probably his most worked on game, so please shout out to the creators. Yeah. We got a sword. Yeah. Whee. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, look at the set. Like, this game looks good. There's a girl. What do we do with this freaking knife? Come here. Guys, nobody tell me. No one tell me. Go! What the? Get away from me. Get away.
Snack attack! Back the way we came. Go! Consider this a warning shot!
Get away. Oh no, the cops! The cops! I wanna watch this movie. This is pretty cool. What? There's a helicopter? I paused the video because there was gonna be an ad. This is wait. I like this picture. It's pretty good. Ow! Ow! Oh my god! Thank God I survived. This is fun. Alright guys, I'm back. Oh wait. Hey, I can poop in this game. Alright guys. Hey cops.
Head clear, step steady.
Take my poo. Bro, he's not taking my poo. Bro, he's taking my poo.
Walk faster.
Okay, I'm trying to. Oh no! Oh my god, I saved myself from dying. Ow. Ow! I took 2 damages. And I have my HP is good. This is a beautiful day in the sky. Oh no, I'm falling. Oh no, I'm falling! Where am I? I can't fly. Wait, I can fly. Whee! Oh no, I'm about to crash. Oh god, no. Sorry guys about the ads. They keep coming up. Sorry. Oh no. Sorry about the ads. They're pretty annoying. So yeah, if you see any ads in this video, I'm pretty sorry. How many I Am games are... I'm gonna download the next I Am game. Oh my god, there's cars everywhere. Alright, let's duke on somebody. Low-key, I need to duke. Okay, now! Oh my god, I dodged time. Okay, this guy needs a new duke for me. Knock it out. Yes! Oh no.
Bird be gone.
I'm... Ow. Ow, my HP is bad. Okay, let's do some missions in the game, because there's missions in the game. Wait, what is this? Wait, is this the place? This is the place. Okay, let me go down. Ow. Knock knock, who's there? What the hell is this thing? It took my money! It took my money! What is this? I have an RPG! What is, I don't know what weapon this is, but yes. Time to kill people. Ah! Oh, this is not an RPG. Oh man. Let's destroy some cars. Yay! I have a gun. Yes. Oh no, the cops are here. I got some star. This is like GTA 6. This is GTA. Can we just shoot the cops? I can't go to jail again. This doesn't make sense. A bird having a pew pew. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. That's a fly. What fly? Got my AHP low. I got a lot of stars. I have a lot of stars. I'm killing everyone. Guys, this is a normal day for me. This is a normal day, okay, guys? Don't mind what I do. This is just a normal day. Okay, I have to get out. What the? There's a statue. I got 2 stars. Oh my god, where is that? I wanna go. Yeah, I am the. This is the ad. Guys, sorry about the ad. Let's skip it. Yeah, I skipped the ad. But breaking news. Everyone, I'm the king, and you guys deserve nothing.
Call it stand easy.
As I'm the king. And, yeah, I hope you enjoy. So, I'm the king now. Oh my god.
Dodge first.
The cops didn't see that. When is this somewhere? Ah! Okay, we're up in the sky. Yes. What is this? What? I'm chilling. What? Why is this guy so mad at me? Ah! I shot people. Get out of here! Get out! Oh no, the cops! Oh, being a bird is the best thing to do. That was another ad. Okay, I'm done with every time having ads in the videos. I do cut parts, but it just showed me unexpectedly. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoy me doing this. I'm not gonna drop my gun hard enough for the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, peace.